Wait, did you know that BMW X7 is the largest and most luxurious SUV made by BMW ever? I thought it's X5. Today, we take a detailed look at this premium full-size SUV. Of course, the BMW X7. Listed by Sahara Motors on Dubai Cars, your trusted platform for buying, selling, or researching any cars in the UAE. What do you think? Let's start with Dubai highlights. Hey, let me tell you something. The BMW X7 was launched in 2018. Can you imagine that? Not only that, when they launched the car, it was already sitting above the X5. Built on a car platform shared with the 7 Series and 8 Series. Available in multiple variants, including the xDrive 40i, xDrive 50i, and when it comes to performance, of course, the M60i. The BMW X7 comes available with 6-chair, 7-chair, and even some trim have a captain chairs at the back. One of the few SUV in its class have this amazing, comfortable air suspension. Let's talk a little bit about this amazing, beautiful, wonderful design. Of course, we're gonna start with this amazing grille. They call this a massive kidney grills. It have an amazing split headlight setup with the sleek dials positioned above the main headlight. Now, when you see the M logo, make sure that the car comes with the sporty and bold M Sport package. What do you think of this amazing premium 23-inch alloy wheel? The amazing thing that BMW X7 doesn't come with the split fog lamp at the front. It also comes with the split LED tail lamp at the back. What do you think of this amazing, good-looking SUV, stylish body? It's unique. I'll take you to enjoy it. Let's talk about the interior design. Let's start with this beautiful seat. Look at this amazing luxury leather. And it comes with a pillow. The X7, it doesn't come only with this amazing, beautiful carbon fiber dashboard. It comes with the massive screen, which is curved, which is split into 2 screens. You have the digital display for the driver, which is 12.3 inch, and you have the infotainment system with the 14.9 inch. If you look at this amazing console, it doesn't only come with the carbon fiber. If you open here, it comes with a wireless charger. It comes also with the wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now, look at this small, amazing touch on the interior. Of course, the car comes with an ambient lighting, which you can customize. You choose the color depending your mood. And also comes with the beautiful crystal gear. They want you to have a good time and feel luxury and at the same time sporty. If you look at this dashboard, it looks amazing. It's very functional. Of course, you have a head-up display here. You have a massive speaker here, which is connected with this beautiful Alcantara ceiling, which comes with the full panorama. It opens until the 7th seat. Not only that, the car is equipped with amazing sound system, Harman Kardon. When we talk about option of this car, it comes with the essential heated seat. You can move them around, as you see, and you can save the mood of the seat, which is called memory seat. From here, from the driver console, you can move the driver's seat, the rear seat. I want you to look at that console again, because it have the sport button here, where you can change the mood of the car depending of your mood. Let's say you feel like sporty today, you press sport, and not only the car changed to sport, the car, the ambient light, and the suspension as it is an air suspension, which is adapted to your driving. The car comes with a 360 camera, of course, with an assist view and panorama view where you can manage and change. And if you press here on more, You can have a 3D. There should be a finger things in here. Obviously, when we talk about BMW, we don't only talk about luxury or performance. We talk about all of them. In this car, let's talk about the things that really matter: performance and engine. This car is the BMW X7, hear me out, xDrive 40i, which has come with inline-6 petrol 3.0 liter engine, which is kick 375 horsepower, 540 Newton meter of torque. You can go off-road with this thing easy. It goes from 0 to 100 in 5.8 seconds. This beauty comes with an 8-speed automatic transmission and a pedal shifter. This thing comes with safety, technology, luxury, and sporty. Not only that, it's comfortable even for the passenger. Where else can you find something like that in an SUV? You can find it listed by Sahara Motor or Dubai Cars. All you need to do is download the app and turn the notification on so you can stay connected. See you next time. Peace.